Hi guys, I'm Rita. In today's episode I will show you how you can add a new customer or new supplier on Kashoo accounting software. To add a new customer or supplier, you need to go to your sidebar and click on section called Contacts. From here, to add a new customer or supplier, Kashoo accounting software doesn't separate between customers or suppliers, they're all called contacts. Only difference will be that you will separate them by going through an either issuing invoice to your customer or recording supplier invoice. So to add a new supplier or new customer, click on plus button. Here you will be presented with two options: to add a company or add an individual. Let's start with adding company first. Add company details. If you have contact details, include those here, like first name and surname of the contact person. Also, we can add an email and phone number. If you add an email address of this customer supplier, you can communicate later by having those details available from the contact cards. If you have an address details, click on show details, and here we can add an address details. So okay, if you have different shipping address, then deselect it and you can add the shipping address details here. Otherwise, if you have the same shipping address details as registered office address, keep it as ticked. Also, if you have website, business number or any other notes to add, enter those there. Once you have filled in this card details and you're happy with information, then click on button add. Once you have added your contact, for example, I added Rita Limited. To edit these contact details, you will need to go to your right hand side and click on edit contact. You will be presented with the same contact card as once you adding completely new customer or supplier. Also, you will see all transactions in this section below. To add a new individual, click on add an individual and you will be presented with the same contact card details. Only difference is that you will need to leave company name blank and you will need to enter first name and last name of this individual, email address, phone number, and the same about address and any other notes. And once you're happy with adding individual information, click on add. For example, I have added Alex. When I click on edit contact details, it's just showing that his first name and last name is added. So in this episode, I explain how you can add a new customer or new supplier on your Kashoo accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared a link in the description section below to my complete Kashoo accounting software tutorial, where I am registering or adding or creating my account from scratch, so from a start on a Kashoo accounting software until very last step of reviewing reports, how well my business actually have done in last period.